Tired of fumbling for your credit card every time you shop online with your Mac? I'm going to show you how to breeze through online purchases using your Apple Watch to confirm Apple Pay on your Mac in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're signed in to the same Apple ID on both your Mac and your Apple Watch on your Mac. Click the Apple menu, then select System Settings, and verify your Apple ID. Next, grab your iPhone and open the Watch app, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here's the key: ensure that the toggle next to allow payments on Mac is switched on. This is what enables your Apple Watch to authorize purchases on your computer. Now, head over to your favorite online store and add something to your cart at checkout. Choose Apple Pay as your payment method. You'll see a prompt on your Mac screen asking you to confirm with your Apple Watch. Look at your Apple Watch. You'll see a notification asking you to double-click the side button to confirm the payment. Double-click that button, and just like that, your purchase is complete. No more credit card details to type in. Just a simple tap on your wrist. Enjoy the speed and security of Apple Pay on your Mac, made even easier with your Apple Watch.